Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Well, Tuesday, 6/12/07. Today, let's talk about today first. We couldn't get in. We got close. The low was, 15, 18 and a half. Omni's buy was 15, 15 and a half. I stuck to my guns. We didn't get in. It went up. We were looking for 1533. I believe the high was 1531.75. Omni direction was nice, right on target there. NASDAQ, we were looking for a high of about 1544, maybe 1543. You know, I wrote a note. I think it got to 1544, somewhere right around there. So we had that direction proper. So far, so good. So today went well. The Omni direction was right on target. We just couldn't get in because, just didn't get low enough today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We got a nice trade set up for tomorrow. But I thought I would just mention a couple of things I've been looking at lately. We did a video. The grains are just going bonkers. You'll see it in the video. You got wheat, beans, oats, corn, bean oil, soy meal, rough rice. Rough rice. Everybody's taking the elevator. Look at all the green omnis. I think these grains are going to do just what we were expecting. I want you to go back and check out a video titled Caterpillar or Catalyst from 1/19/07 on YouTube. If you can't find that on my site, go to youtube.com/futures analysts. Go to that date, 1/19/07. It's called Caterpillar or Catalyst. And you'll get a feel for one of the many reasons why I think grains will be sky high this summer. I think this is just the beginning. And wheat went crazy today. All the grains are pulling up. When rough rice starts to have a huge day up, things are going on here in the grain market. So keep your eyes on that stuff. All right, enough of that. I'll do some homework in the grains. In fact, we're still a little contest here. How about you guys tell me, write into me at Oscar at futuresanalysts.com, or go to my forums and create a forum there. You guys know where I'm at Live with Oscar. Go to the spot, create a forum, and let's do a contest on which of the grains. Let's keep it down to like beans, oats, corn, and wheat. The major grains, even rough rice if you want to throw it in. Let's keep it down to that. And let's do a contest on which one you think will go the highest this year. They're all showing signs already. I say they're all going up. Let's do our analysis collectively and see if we can figure out which one may go the highest, and we'll look for a trade there. So let's see if we could all put on an Omni trade together. So do your homework on that, guys, and come back to me, and we'll see what happens. I already think I know, and I haven't even looked yet, but I have a feeling that I already know what I'm going for. So let's do a homework, and we'll do a little contest on which grain is going higher. So now let's take a look at the trade for tomorrow. Right off the bat, I just want to let you know, options volatility is very, very high. Large stops are required here. Go look at your options vol as an indicator for you technical analysts out there. You're going to find this thing peaking over 8. It's up there. Go take a look at it. I'm telling you that there's going to be some volatility on both ends of the market. So when we start off tomorrow, as always, I like to start off with a large stop. They're a little bit larger than usual, but you guys know me. Just go along with me, and we'll raise the stops when the time comes. Okay, for tomorrow, the S&P ESU7 SPU7 September. Omni support 1520 to 1519. Currently trading around 1522.75. So get your orders in. Omni turns neutral if we drop below 1509. Stops are going to be obviously somewhere below 1509 for you guys. On the onset, we'll keep them there. We'll move them when the time is right. Omni's profit objective is 1540. It's a nice trade. May take a day or two to get there, but we'll put that as the target for tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. Be out MOC. We can always relook at this again tomorrow and see if we decide to do anything other than that. But always be out, market on close at the end of every trade that we do unless specified otherwise. So again, 1519 to 1520 looks like a good area for a pullback buy. The market starts to break lower than that, we'll do what we need to do to keep ourselves out of trouble. Get your stops in there below 1509, and let's see what we're going to do. All right. So we talked about the grains, and again, we'll do that contest. I'm telling you, these guys are starting to skyrocket. Every chart that I look at, every indicator, everything's telling me these guys want to go much higher, these grain markets. So let's see what we get out of that. As usual, you can call me anytime you guys would like, 718-351-2266. I tell you this all the time, if you're going to follow my trades, you need to get on my Flash Updates database. The only way to do that right now, or the simplest way to do that right now, would be to go to www.livewithoscar.com, fill out a free registration, and put you on my Flash Updates database automatically. And as my Omniacs know, and for you newcomers, the Flash Updates are my way of letting you know throughout the day of timely decisions that I'll make and changes that I'll make to our resting orders. You need to get those. We blast out emails. We put them on the Omni site. You need to get those emails if you want to stay in tune with us. So go to the site and fill out a free registration form for that. That's about all we'll do. Do your homework. Don't forget, always do your homework. No matter what my Omni says, no matter what I think, make sure you have done your homework, because I've done plenty of homework before I stand here at this board and give you what I think will happen tomorrow. So do your own homework. Use my Omni direction to see if your direction is the same. If your work says buy today, my Omni comes out as a buy. You shouldn't need any other information from me. Omni says buy, get comfortable with that, and get yourself in the market. Place your stops where you feel comfortable. That is one way to trade. That's a thing that we'll be talking about in our forums. And, you know, it's something that you guys need to do. Do your own homework. Okay, don't forget about this. Place your stops first. If you're going to take one of my trades, do me a favor and place your stops first. And last, but certainly not least, don't forget, everybody, say this every day, and it is absolute truth, and live by it, and you know what that is by now. Stops are in, emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.